Hey everyone, it's Les with a quick rod secrets tip for the day. You ever notice when you're bleeding your brakes that sometimes, no matter how much you're bleeding the brake down at the caliper, you got all the air bubbles out, somehow that first pull on the lever tends to be soft? It seems strange to me that when you're bleeding the brakes, why is the bleed point at the lowest point on the motorcycle? For example, here we are bleeding the front brakes on this bike, and the bleeder is all the way down here, yet the master cylinder is all the way up here. Air bubbles are going to float up. It's frustrating. You keep bleeding and bleeding from here, and of course on the other side, on the left caliper as well, but no more bubbles coming out. However, the bubbles rise. So what'll happen a lot is at the top of the line, there might be an air bubble stuck up in here. Most will have a standard banjo bolt at the top. Replace it with one of these. It's a bleeder banjo bolt, where you've got a bleeder nipple along at the very top of your banjo bolt. Remove your original one, replace it with the bleeder banjo. Now you have a point near the top of your system where if an air bubble collects, you can bleed from this point. And now you've got that full brake lever feel you're hoping for.